So we've been talking a lot about doing TDGs, and recently I've done them on the whiteboard, but I want to talk about a really engaging way for you to do them with your families that is super inexpensive and pretty fun to do. This is the basic terrain model I built for the Out with a Bang event. It cost me about 20 bucks in materials total. That's including buying a hot glue gun, some army men, an X-Acto knife, and some string. And if you were at the Out with a Bang event, you'll probably recognize this setup. Now, normally on a terrain model, it depicts vegetation, any types of roads, change in elevation, but as you know, we were doing this on a range at Ben Avery, so there's not much vegetation, nor is there any elevation change. But what you could easily do is set up a rough little model of maybe, let's say, the supermarket at your hometown, or places you frequent often that you would want to maybe talk through an emergency plan with your family, and using small figurines like this can make it pretty fun and engaging for younger kids to do. To be honest, I find it pretty fun to do myself. So consider building something like this, really basic, with just some cardboard, some movable pieces like these. They don't have to be Zinn cans, but that's what I had. So that way you can allow the people in your life to visualize and kind of help them imagine what these plans you're trying to put in place will look like.